Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make folders on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just tap and hold on empty space on your home page and wait till this happens when the apps are wiggling and stuff. Once that's done, you just need to hover your finger to any app and tap and hold on it. And now you can drag it to any app that you want. So let's say I want to make a folder for my games. So I'll just simply drag this app to this one. It'll automatically make a folder for it. And as you can see, it also automatically named it. But you can change that if you want. If you just want to set it to like games, tap on done. And you could add more, as you can see. And you could swipe it to another home page. So I could swipe it to here. I'll just move another game right there. Once you're done, just tap on done at the top right corner. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.